Welcome to this 25-minute beginner-friendly HIIT workout. No equipment, no jumping, and it's perfect for building strength and burning fat. Let's warm up. Warm up. 30 seconds each. Say the move name clearly. March in place, light steps. Shoulders relaxed. Arms circles forward and back. Loosen those shoulders. Torso twists gently side to side. Core awake. Step touch side to side. Keep moving. Air squats slow and steady to wake up the legs. Warm up, get your body moving and your heart rate. Round 1. Lower body weight squats, feet shoulder width. Sit back. Squeeze at the top. Reverse lunges alternate, step back. Lower with control. Keep your chest tall. Glute bridge on floor, feet flat. Lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes. Wall sit hold. Slide down the wall. Thighs parallel. Breathe, stay. Side leg lifts right plus left. Lift to the side. Controlled. Feel that outer thigh. Round 1. Lower body strength. Round 2. Upper body 8. 30-13. 30 wall push-ups, hands on wall. Elbows bend, chest toward wall. Shoulder taps knee, or full plank. Tap opposite shoulder. Keep hips stable. Arms circles, arms out wide. Small, then big circles. Superman hold on stomach, lift arms and legs. Hold. Activate the back. Triceps dips on floor or chair, bend elbows. Lower down. Oh, stay close. Round 2. Upper body burn. Round 3. Core 13, 30-18. 30 dead bug, opposite arm and leg extend. Keep your back flat. Standing oblique crunches, elbow to knee. Feel the side crunch, plank knees or full. Brace your core. Flat back. Breathe. Seated leg lifts, lean back. Legs lift. Keep it slow. Bicycle crunch or slow march. Opposite elbow to knee. Twist with control. Round 3, core strong. Round 4. Cardio burn. Low impact jacks, step side to side. Arms up. No jump needed. Knee drives right. Drive your knee fast. Pump those arms. Knee drives left. Switch legs. Stay strong. Squat plus reach. Squat low. Reach up. Big movements. Fast feet shuffle. Quick steps in place. You got this. Overlay. Round 4. Heart rate up. Cool down. Deep breaths. Inhale up. Exhale slowly. Forward fold stretch. Relax your neck. Feel the stretch. Quad stretch right plus left. Grab your foot. Gentle pull. Arm and side stretch. Overhead stretch. Side to side. Overlay. Cool down and recovery. Your body thank you. You did it. 25 minutes of total body movement, low impact and powerful. Drop a comment below. I finished strong. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts. Great job. Comment, I finished strong. Subscribe for more beginner HIIT